welcome to your first lesson of Mailchimp. So as you can see, we are logged into Mailchimp, and we're going to go through a few things because there's several menus here that we need to go through so that we know our way around. So the first thing that we're going to look at is campaigns. Now campaigns are actually the newsletters or the campaigns that you send out to your people. Templates are what you use to construct those campaigns, and this is what we're going to focus on today. Audience are the people that you send these newsletters and campaigns to. Reports, those are actually reports to let you know who opened your newsletter, what link they clicked on, did they go to your website, those kinds of things. And your content studio is where you upload your images and all those goodies that you put inside those templates and campaigns that you're going to construct. We're in the template section right now, and Content Studio, of course, is the same as this one that we went over, and that's where your images are going to be located. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a template. This template is going to allow us to create a welcome email. Okay, it's just going to be a basic design, and so we're going to start right now. So what you're going to do is click on Template, and another window is going to open. So this is actually where your starting point is for your template. Now you're going to see several things in here. You're going to see some featured items and a basic design. Okay, and there's several little squares in there. So over here, if you had let's say a business and you sell products, you may want to talk to your readers about a product. You can make an announcement, you can tell a story, follow up, or you can educate. Sometimes people use this to educate their readers about certain things, like say if you are a person who is doing nutrition. Someone who signs up, you can send them a series of these education emails. And I don't know if you saw this right now, but if you see right here, it says upgrade to use. If you're not in a paid account, you won't be able to use those. You can only use the free ones. And this is what I'll be working in today, is the free account. And so down here, we can see basic. Basic are also other designs that you can see are pretty general. You have one column, which is one column visible right here. One column and a full width, which shows this gray area goes the full length of the page. You have 1 and 2 columns and etc. that you can see. So some of these, of course, are only to be used in a paid account. So if you roll over it, you can find out, okay, upgrade to use. Same with this one. So several of them are for using in an upgraded version. So we're going to focus on a basic one, which we can pick this first one right here. Now if you see, when you roll over the template, it'll have a little magnifying glass on the upper right hand side. So what you'll do is you'll click on it, and it'll give you an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so this right here will give you an idea of what it would look like if you opened it on your phone. So you can see how it adjusted a little bit. It got smaller, and if you look at the desktop, it's the full length of the page. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to close this window on the upper right, but we're going to use this one today. So let's go ahead and click on it, and now we'll be ready to design your first template.